Hello, crafty friends. Welcome back to Cardz TV. This is Mary, and today we're going to make a cute but quick masculine birthday card for a teenage boy. One of my grandsons is going to have a birthday the first part of next month, and then another grandson has a July birthday. So we'll be using some of these papers for his card, and aren't they perfect, guys, with the fireworks, the stars and stripes? But we'll be doing that one when we get closer to July. But we're going to use this Magical Moments Miss Kate Cuttables paper collection, and aren't these papers just beautiful? I love the bright and vivid colors, and it comes with over 60 die cuts as well. And look at these. We've got some titles and some die cuts. If you're going to do some scrapbook layouts, these would be perfect. Or if you're going to do a little autograph book, if you're going on vacation to that magic place. Here's some more little castles. Cute little banner. And lots of balloons and cameras and fireworks and stars. That one's really cute. There's a little paper still stuck in there. I'll get that punched out later. But this is going to make a really cute card for my teenage grandson. And it's going to be so quick and easy. So I'm going to get what we need over here, and we'll get started on Thomas's birthday card. We're going to use a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch white card base. This is an A2 size, and it folds on this side, and it's a portrait style card. Then we've got a red mat that's 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And then here's one of those Miss Kate Cuttables papers. I love the colors in this. This is 4 by 5 1/4. And I'm going to get this attached to my card base with some art glitter glue. Here's my card base all ready. And I love the Miss Kate Cuttables papers because they all have kind of a shine to them. Can you see that? Oh, I love this. Okay, I brought in my Big Shot because I want to cut a white stitched rectangle and a red stitched rectangle. So I'm going to go ahead and get those cut out. And then we'll come back and stamp our sentiment and finish up the card. Okay, I've cut my 2 stitched rectangles, but before I put them together, I want to go ahead and stamp my sentiment on the white one. And for my sentiment, we're using the Cardz TV Potpourri stamp set, and we're using Happy Happy Birthday right there. We're going to stamp it with some Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I've already got it on my stamp block. And we'll go ahead and get this stamped. And I think I'm going to put it right about there. There we go. Turned out great. Now we're going to adhere these together and get this on the front of the card. Now, from the Miss Kate Cuttables Magical Moments set of die cuts, I pulled this cute little cluster of balloons that's tied with a little red bow. I've got it on some foam tape, and I'm going to add that right there. And our little masculine birthday card is done. How quick and easy was that? And how cute with these Miss Kate Cuttables papers and die cuts. Now, guys, I'm going to leave you a link to Amazon. So if you're interested in this set or any of the other Miss Kate Cuttables sets with the paper and the die cuts, you can go on over to Amazon and get them for yourself. And if you've got Prime, you can get them in 1 to 2 days, which is great. And then you can get busy making lots of cards or scrapbook layouts because they're good for both. I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Thank you so much for coming by and spending some time with me today. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.